Okay, let's talk about the internal components of the kidney. So I'm going to start on the outside. We have the capsule on the outside. Then we have the lining right here. You can just see it right here, which would be this area. This is the renal cortex. You can see each of the renal pyramids right here. Okay, and then you can also see the papillary muscle here at the bottom. They kind of look like horns here. Okay, you can also see the adrenal gland on top of the kidney, and then you can see the pelvis, renal artery, renal vein, and of course the ureter down here. In between each of the pyramids, we have the pillars in between each. Okay, just separating each of the pyramids. Okay, let's move now to the. Go back over one more time the intestines here. So we have the small intestine here, and then the colon on the outside. Let's just talk about the individual pieces here really quick. With this, we have the ascending colon, we have the right colic flexure, we have the transverse colon, left colic flexure, descending colon, and then we get down in here in the back. We turn this over, then you can see the sigmoid and then the rectum. And again, you can see the superior and inferior mesenteric arteries supplying the colon there. Okay, let's move over now to the reproductive system, male reproductive system. We'll use this model just as a quick reference. We can see, of course, the testicle here. This particular piece here is the epididymis. Okay. We come over here to the actual penis here. We can see a couple of distinctions we need to make here. First of all, let's talk about from the top down. We can see the bladder. Here we can see the prostate right here. Okay, we can see the male penile urethra right here. Okay, and then the small caverns that you can see here, they look like little squares. That's the corpus cavernosum. And then the part that's not squared, that's just straight pink, is the corpus spongiosum, which comes clear down here into the head of the penis down here. You can also see the seminal vesicles up here, which would be coming, emitting the semen from those 2 points. Okay, let's go into a little different model. We can see this model here, just some of the internal components. Again, just the same view as what we had over here, a little more detailed from the side. You can see the bladder. You can see the 3 different parts of the penile urethra. You can see the prostatic urethra here, where it goes through the prostate, right here. Then you can see the membranous urethra, where it actually crosses down into the penis itself, and then the long shaft of the penile urethra all the way down. Here you can see the corpus cavernosum here. You can see the different caverns, and then you can see here the spongiosum represented by the little dots, corpus spongiosum, and then of course the head, the penis, which is what we call the glans penis.